What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to solve this tricky mathematical equation, which goes by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So, let's do this equation. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. And this 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Then, here is a multiplication. This 2 times 2 gives us what? 4. So, we get it right? No. This is not the answer. Why? In mathematics, we have a rule which is called BODMAS, which stands for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. What is bracket? What is this as a whole? This abbreviation means we have to go hierarchically when calculating these kinds of equations. So if there is a bracket in the equation, we have to prioritize that first. If there is a order, is an order. If there is division, we have to prioritize division over any of operations like multiplication or subtraction or addition. If there is multiplication could be prioritized more than addition and subtraction. So let's solve this equation. So mathematically speaking, we have to prioritize the multiplication over these additions. So we have to multiply this one by this one. So 1 times 1 gives us 1. So there is 1 plus this comes from this directly, and plus 1. This 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us what? 3. So the answer could be 3, not any other answers. So what is our answer? 3. Thank you for watching this video.